Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the slowly changing dimension type 2 SQL. We will use a football team roster to track player transfer. When a player moves to a new club, we keep historical record instead of overwriting the record. So we have two here. We have two tables: the staging table and a dim table. Okay, a staging table hold latest snapshot of data, usually coming from a source system, and the dimension table store the above current historical version of a player data. Okay, let's just create this table. I'm just gonna delete the existing, create the table, and set the record. See, I'm using a TP, but you can use maybe a data grid. Insert it all the record that we need. Okay, that's it. Just gonna do this. Just check if for the team roster from staging team roster. Okay. Okay, that's what we have. We don't have many record here. This is just for demonstration. But okay, we have our staging here. This one can come from another source, API, or maybe another database. And this whole a new records, and this also hold an historical record and the new records. Okay, what we need to do here is that we need to track the change of a player or some specific columns. So for me, I've chosen to change to track the change on these columns, the player name, the team name, the position, and also the country. But we don't even need the country. But I'm just gonna do just for the for practice. Okay, what we need to do here is that the first thing that we need to do is just to get the change record. What the record has been changed from this one. So what we need to do, we just need to do the select or the player name, plus player ID, player name, team name, the position. Okay, let me just copy here quickly. Okay. Here we go. Okay, the country and also the load date, because we're taking from the staging one. We need the load date, which is also very important. Okay. From the DMT roster staging, we do an inner train with our target table, where we want to have the historical and also the new and the current one. Okay, we're gonna join on as our player ID equal to d dot player ID. Okay, as we are getting the new record, like having tracking the change from this one, we just need to put is current and is current equal to true, and I will tell you why I'm doing this. Okay, cool. So here is the way part that we need to have to specify the column that we need to track. Just here we need to put where the player name, It's different to player now. Okay. Team name. This is a very important one. Team name. Okay. In this here quickly. Okay. Position, country, and we don't need to load it. We don't need to load it. Those are the columns we need to track. Yes. And also the country. Okay. Okay. Yes. Position, country, country. Okay, we have to remove this one. Okay, player name, team name, position, country. Those are the columns that we need to track. We'll just do the outlet here, d dot maybe us. Okay. DB can do this. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. Alright. That's it. This is the record that we need to take from the staging table and insert it in our target table, the dim team roster. Okay, let's quickly run it. Okay. Team name 60. Okay. Oh. We need to just have all here because we see if player name has changed or maybe the position has changed. That's it. Let's run it again. I play ID. Friends ambiguous. Okay. So depends from this one. Yes. Great. Okay. Okay, cool. This record that we have, those record, what do we need to do? We need to take it and insert it here. That's it. And before inserting, we just need to do an update the previous record, change the previous record. I mean, the previous record, this one, update the end date, insert the end date, which is going to be the load date from the staging table, and change this one to not current. I mean, false. Okay, what do we need to do here? We first need to, let's just put it as the change record as a city. Yes. Okay, cool. So what do you need to do? Update the staging roster table. We're gonna set the value, set the effective, and set the end date. I mean, set the end date to the load date. And also, from where? From our change records. See, we need to do a join like a where, not the join code condition, where the player ID is equal to c the player ID. That's it, and just do this. Cool, and let's have this one from Sita. Okay, that's it. And this one is also coming from the team roster. So let's also, okay. Yeah, let's run it. The integration is okay. That's the movie. But this kind of screaming. Okay, cool. We can see that the record has been inserted. So let me just check here. Okay, we can see that we cancel this one. This one is not correct. Oh, this one I didn't change this one. I forgot to put also change also the end. This one should also be is screwing equal to false. Yes, that's it. I'm gonna delete it. So quickly delete. Let's create and insert the record and let's run it again one more time. Okay, cool. So if we do this now, you will see that this one, this record, this ended. We have now ended, which is loaded from the staging table, and now its current is equal to false. Means those records are not the current one. So now we need to insert the current coming from the staging table. So what we need to do is just like to get the same records. Bingo. Okay, so now you could see something. Like if we run this one, we will get empty because why? It's because its current is now no is now false. So just if you need to get those records, let's put it false here. So that's it, and you will see that we have our same records here. So that's it. What we need to do is just need to do a small insert into team roster. Insert into team roster. Let's list out the column that we need to insert. I'm just going to copy all from this one. Copy all the column from this. Is yeah, cool. To select all the column from where from our change records. From our change records. So let's just rename this to maybe update records. Yeah, and this one to update record. This one is just for the update one. Okay, and this one now, this query is just for the change records. And this one, what we're going to do here, the important part of this is that we need to make the load date, which is going to be the effective date here. The load date is now the effective date in this in our gym table for the new records. So let's do load date as effective date. End date. What is our end date? End date is null when the record is a new record. I mean, when the record is yeah, it's a new record. Yeah. Okay, the current record false as yes. Cool. Load date null false. That's it. And then let's just insert those records in our table. Hopefully we have everything that we need. Okay, let's run it. Okay, let's check here. Yeah, we can see that we have inserted all the records and the new record, and now we have also our historical one, the previous one, and then the current one. Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, was we can see that the Lionel Messi was previously playing in PSG. Now he changed the team. He came to Inter Miami. We didn't override the change in this table, but instead we insert the new as a new record. But having this as the like effective as start date and the end date is null means that if the standard the end date is null means the record is current. So when we have also a flag here which is current, which is going to show that this one is also the one. Okay, there is this one need to be true. This one need to be true, not need to be true. Let's just you run it, you run the flow. I'm just gonna delete it. Just delete the table. Delete the dim crossing. Delete this one and create and set. Okay, let's press console and set the update. You can automate this using Python very quickly, but I'm just doing it just for the purpose of learning and understanding how the story chain dimension works. Okay, I'm just this one should be no true. This one should be true. Okay, cool. But if you go back to see, you will see that all the records are correct. Okay, that's it. This is the current record, and this is the previous record, the historical one. So now we're not done yet. We need to insert also our new records because because also if you see here we don't have. Let's see the entry. Okay, we can see that we have Lamine and Andrew just sit there. Those are the new records that we need to insert in our table. So this one is very straightforward. Okay, what we need to do here, you need to change only this condition. Change this condition to, let's just do a left join, and remove this one. Okay, and we need to change the condition where the player ID is not equal to maybe to is false. Is not. I mean, okay, so it means we select everything from this table that does not exist in the in this table. So let's just run it and see what we got. If everything is good, we should get like 2 records. Okay, we get 2 records. Those are the new records. We just need to insert it. Like let me just rename the city here as new records, and here new records. Okay, we're done. That's it. It's gonna stay the same. New records, effective date, load date. No, that's it. I'm just gonna put all down here. Small, column. Let's run it. Okay, cool. This that's it. This is all. Yeah. What? What is it? Okay, cool. All right, that's it. We have Lionel Messi. Let me just show you the name. Okay, we can see the Cristiano Ronaldo was playing in Manchester Man United from 2024, 2025, and it's not the current one. It's the previous like the historical records. And now Cristiano Ronaldo is playing Al Nassr from days one to now to current means he's still playing Al Nassr. And Drake, his new record is playing this. Lionel Messi was playing in Chelsea, now he's playing in Miami. So this is how the table can slowly change. So this is what we call the slowly changing dimension. I mean slowly changing table and for type 2. And you can automate it using Python very quickly. And if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up. Thank you.